Here we are back again. This time we're going to look at adding a new issue type onto your project. So I've got a ticket here. It's currently a story. The issue type is a story, but I don't really want it to be a story because this one is an investigation. Find Commander Data's spare head, because careless Data, he's lost his other head. So we don't really know how long that's going to take, right? He's got to search the entire Enterprise ship, every deck, every bulkhead, every single cupboard in the whole ship. I have no idea how long that might take. Could take 5 minutes, could take a whole year. So I want that to be a spike. And if I just click on this the little green thing up here, where next to stars 8, I hope you can see my mouse. If I click on that, you can see from this list we don't have spike as an available option. We can have story, task, subtask, bug, or epic, but there's no spike. So I want to add the spike option into my issue type set for my project. So to do that, I will scroll down on the left hand side column here down to project settings and click on project settings, and when that's loaded, again in this left hand column click on issue types, and this will show you, so here is our Scrum issue type scheme for the STARS project. So these are the issue types that are currently available in this project. So spike, as you can see, is not there, so I want to add a spike. So over here in the top right hand corner here, there's a little cog and an actions button. So we click on actions and edit issue types. So click on edit issue types there, and this will show you there's two columns here. So this is it's the STARS issue type scheme, so it's just particular to this one project, which is what we want. There's two columns here, issue types for the current scheme, and as you can see there's 5 issue types here, none of which are a spike. They're the ones we currently have, and in the right hand column there is available issue types. So these are all the issue types that are currently in the entire Jira instance that we can choose from. Now, if the issue type that you want is not in this column, you can make a new one. And to do that, we're not going to do that now, but to do that, there's a little add issue type button up here in the top right. So you click on that and then follow the instructions to add a new issue type. But I would strongly beg of you, do not create a new type unless you absolutely must, because there's a lot of duplication here already. As you can see from these top ones here, there's lots of here. There's about 7, 8 that are all subtasks. Now I would argue, you know, do you really need a bug subtask as opposed to any other kind of subtask? Probably not. A subtask is a subtask. It's going to be a subtask of whatever ticket type is the parent. So arguably all these did not have to be created, all these ones, and certainly you've got a sub bug and a bug subtask. Now quite clearly they are identical, so slapped wrist for whoever created both of those, and please try very hard not to do it. Have a look through this list and see if there is anything here first that can in any way accommodate your needs before creating a new one. So the one that I wanted to add was a spike, so we just scroll down this list, and somewhere down here there should be here we go, down here, here's the spike down here, you can see. So all I do, I just grab that with my cursor and I drag it across. I just click and drag and go back up here, and now it's added to my current scheme types, and then I just have to save that, which is way down the bottom. Click the save button, and that's it. Here is my issue scheme now, issue type scheme, and you can see that the spike is in there. So if I go back to my project, I think that ticket was in the backlog. Where's poor old Data? Here we are, find Commander Data's head. We can open that up, and now we should, come on, load. Here we go. Now we click on that, and I'm really hoping, there you go, we have our spike available in the list, so I can change the issue type to a spike. Simple as that. Hope this is useful. See you next time.